मॉर्निंग जी एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। अभी जियो लोकेशन वाइज हम हैं ओल्ड मनाली में एंड द आइडिया इज़ दैट वी गोना गो टू द वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ लद्दाख, ज़ांस्कार रीजन। हम पहले भी जा चुके हैं, उसका वीडियो अगर आपने नहीं देखा तो वो यहाँ पे है। द प्लान इज़ इन नेक्स्ट 3-4 डेज़ वी गोना क्रॉस शिंकुला पास, जो कि मैंने नहीं किया, which is the next big adventure in Ladakh for me. And then we're gonna head towards the regular old Padum, Khasha Monastery, Phuktal Monastery, and go towards Leh. So yeah, that's the entire plan is all about. पर अभी है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग एंड टेम्परेचर 36 डिग्री, सो यस फीलिंग इट राइटली। जब टनल क्रॉस करेंगे तब मेरे ख्याल से कुछ नया चैलेंजिंग होगा। अब अभी तो इट्स जस्ट सेम ओल्ड थिंग, पैक एंड लीव। बाय
बाय।
गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम सोलांग वैली। अभी सोलांग वैली की चढ़ाई चढ़नी है। वी हैव टू फर्स्ट क्लाइम द 27 to 28 hairpin bends of Solang Valley, and then Atal Tunnel, one of the largest tunnel here in India, will come up and we will cross from Manali Valley, Kullu Valley to basically Lahaul Valley. Crossing Atal Tunnel right now. स्पीड लिमिट 40 है, 40 तक मेंटेन करेंगे। This tunnel is a different ball game, guys. I'm a bit late, but when I got the news that Atal Tunnel was done, and इसकी न्यूज़ हमें ऑलमोस्ट 8 साल से मिल रही थी। Every time we used to go from मनाली टू लाहौल, हमें रोहतांग से गुजरना पड़ता था। तो अब it has changed and this is a marvelous development that we have done. तो हम चल दिए अपने अगले सफ़र पर। ज़ांस्कार वैली, here we come. Cross the Rohtang Tunnel, and Rohtang Tunnel is something like amazing things that I have ever seen. I mean, it was a huge ass tunnel. And the entire weather, the entire mood of the landscape has changed in a drastic manner. And we are in Lahaul Valley, guys. Welcome to Lahaul. That's Chandrabhaga River. That's not the Beas River anymore. That's the Chandrabhaga River, right, flowing with us. There's a certain amount of peace here at Sisu, you know. अगर आप वो क्राउडेड वाली जगह छोड़ दें and you come to a bit far area, then this place still have such an amount of vibe and calmness to it. And that's why I stop at Sisu every time I come to Ladakh. That's over there is Sisu Waterfalls. I remember coming here all the way over there last year when during the lockdown, when we did the Manali to Leh to Manali trip. So we stopped over here and I spent an entire day over here. But every time I come over here, this waterfall looks marvelous, glamorous to me. It's like Iceland kind of feeling. This will be our last petrol pump before we get it refilled from Zanskar. The very last petrol pump. So we'll get the tank filled for this baby. So now our next destination is Keelong, where we're gonna have our lunch and tank is full and find a place to camp. So Keelong ke, I think we're gonna try to find a place after Keelong, because then we'll be a bit away from the civilization. It will be much peaceful rather than listening to honks and everything day and day night. Yeah, that's entirely Keelong side, guys. This road is a dream road to ride on, man. Especially the good sections are such nice curves, and it's all empty, man. Look at it. It's completely open. The entire valley has opened up. This spot over here looks like camping spot. Ground काफी अच्छा सा है, हल्का सा है. There's Tandi over there, so we thought that it's better that we don't go Tandi and we directly go all the way down over there and find a place to pitch our tent. That's the plan, boys. Bad timing. So sad news is that we cannot camp at that particular place because it's an entire private area, and these days everything is commercial, so they're like, pay us 800 rupees per tent. 800 rupees per tent. We said, well, that won't be possible. So they said, why don't you guys get your ass off our land? And we said, yeah. So that's the plan. Abhi we're gonna go to a different campsite and see what sort of possibilities over there. This is my 5 billion star hotel behind me, my campsite. Today's journey was a very short introductory journey of how we started from Manali and the reason I wanted to go to Zanskar. So tomorrow is the day where we're gonna cross Shinkula Pass and enter Zanskar, and from there the entire so-called adventure starts. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and अगर सब कुछ ठीक लगा then do drop a thumbs up and share your valuable comments. The village that I'm staying is off the normal route, Kharang village, and I'm glad that I'm here. So yeah, good night guys, I'll see you tomorrow and I love you. Bye. हम किसी तरह trying to be alive because it's super cold and it's super windy and I'm super scared.
have never camped in such a windy place before. I just hope that sun rises early in the morning. I don't even have water to drink.